Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can fix crashing Roblox in PC. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So first, go ahead and find your Roblox. Mine is right here. And then the next step is just right click this. And then if you're on Windows 11, you can just hit the show more options and then hit properties. Inside, you can see these settings right here. Now in the run section, it's right here and it says normal window. Just click this and then it will drop down a menu and then select a minimize. And after that, go to compatibility tab at the top right corner, and then this time we will have to check some of these settings right here. So the first one is this compatibility mode. So just check this box right here and then make sure to select Windows 8. And after that, go ahead and check this disable full screen optimizations, as well as run this program as administrator. And after all that's done, if you have multiple users on your PC, you can change settings for all users so you don't have to do this every time you change your users. Or if you don't have any users like me, you can just hit the apply here. And then just press OK. And then after that, you can go ahead and test your Roblox. Now if the problem still exists, I recommend you uninstall your Roblox and reinstall it again. So you can do that by going to uninstall program, and then here just look for Roblox like this, and then hit these three dots right here and uninstall, and then go to their website again, install the Roblox, and then you should be good to go. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.